Good morning students, how are you all? Today we'll do question number 9 of Remedy Back Maths, page number 5. Question number 9 is circle the numbers that are. First we have to find the numbers that are divisible by 4. We have already learned about the divisibility rules. Let's revise them. A number will be divisible by 4 if the last two digits of the numbers are 0 or multiple of 4. Let's check a number. We take 480 to check is it divisible by 4 or not. Okay, here we have 480. As the divisibility rule of 4 is the last two numbers should be 0. We can see there are not two zeros at its end. And the other condition is that these two numbers should be multiples or should be divisible by 4. Let's check them by dividing 80 on 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 zeros are 0. That's it. So we check it. 80 is divisible by 4. It means the number 480 is also divisible by 4. So we check that 480 is divisible by 4. 480 is divisible by 4. Okay. As we can see, this number 215, there are no zeros, and number 15 is also not a multiple of 4, so this number is not divisible by 4. Same as it is 50 is not a multiple of 4, so it is not divisible by 4. Here we have 712. The last two digits are 12, 1, 2. These are multiple of 4, so this number is also divisible by 4. Okay, next we have to find the numbers which are divisible by 5. To find digit of the number should be 5. If the number is 5, last number or the number at its unit place is 5, then the number will be divisible by 5. If the last number is 0, there are two conditions. If the last number is 0 or 5, then the number will be divisible by 5. If there are some other numbers at its unit place, then the number will not divisible by 5. Here we have a number 155. As we can see, the last number is 5, so it is divisible by 5. Here we have 385. The last digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. In others number, there is no 5 in their units place, so these numbers are not divisible by 5. Next is divisible by 6. In the rule of divisibility 6, the number should be multiple of 2 or the number should be even, and it also should be divisible by 3. We have to satisfy two conditions here. First is it is divisible by 2 and the second is it is divisible by 3. If some numbers satisfy these both conditions, then this will be divisible by 6. Let's check the number 450. Okay, here we have a number 450. To check that it is divisible by 2, simply the number should be even. And the condition of even number is the number on its units place should be 0, 2, 6, 8. If any number has these number at its units place, then the number will be even. So this is an even number, it is divisible by 2. Next thing we have to check it that is it divisible by 3. If it is, then it is divisible by 6 also. So to check the divisibility rule of 3, we have to add up the digits of this number. 4 plus 5 plus 0. The answer is 9. So the answer is the multiple of 3. It means the number is divisible by 3. As 450 is divisible by 2 and 3 also, so it is divisible by 6. Okay, as we check that 450 is divisible by 6. Next, this number is not even, so it is not divisible by 6. The number 455 is also not even, so it is not divisible by 6. This is an even number, 108, so it is divisible by 2, but we have to check that is it divisible by 3. We'll add up 1 plus 0, 1, and 1 plus 8, 9. 9 is a multiple of 3, so it is divisible by 2 and 3. It is also divisible by 6. Here we have another even number. It is divisible by 2, but we have to check is it divisible by 3. Then we'll have to add up the digits of this number. 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13. 13 is not a multiple of 3, so this number is not divisible by 3. So this number did not satisfy the both conditions, so this is not divisible by 3. 6. Next we have to check the numbers, are they divisible by 7 or not. Let's check a number. I take this number 147 from that box. Okay, in divisibility rule of 7, we have to twice the last number. Twice means we have to multiply the last digit by 2. Last digit is 7 and we have to multiply it by 2. Our answer will be 14. Next we have to do other two numbers, subtract other two numbers from this answer. 14 minus 14. Answer is 0. So if our answer is 0 or the multiple of 7, then the number will be divisible by 7. If the answer is some other number, not 0, not multiple of 7, then number will be not divisible by 7. Okay, so have we checked? 147 is divisible by 7. The number is 350. Okay, when we twice 0, it will remain 0. And when we'll subtract 35 from 0, the answer will be 35. 35 is a multiple of 7. So this is also divisible by 7. Okay, here we have 221. Last digit is 1. When we multiply 1 by 2, the answer will be 2. And when we subtract 22 from 2, the answer will be 20, which is not the multiple of 7. So this is not divisible by 7. Here we have 325. The last digit is 5. When we multiply 5 by 2, the answer is 10. And when we subtract 32 from 10, the answer will be 22. So this number is not divisible by 7 because the answer is not a multiple of 7. Here we have 190. Last digit is 0. When we multiply 0 by 2, the answer will remain same, 0. And when we subtract 19 from 0, the answer will be 19, which is not 0 and not a multiple of 7. So this is not divisible by 7. Here we have to check the number, are they divisible by 8. In the divisibility rule of 8, that the last 3 digits of the number should be 0 or the multiples of 8. If one of these conditions satisfy, then the number is divisible by 8. Let's take 400 from this. Okay, when we divide 400 by 8, 8 5s are 40, 8 zeros are 0. So this number is completely divided by 8. 400 is divisible by 8. So 400 is divisible by 8. There is no other number which is divisible by 8. Next we have to check the numbers are divisible by 9 or not. To check the divisibility of 9, we have to add up the digits of the number. If the answer is multiple of 9, then the number will be divisible by 9. If the answer is not a multiple of 9, then the number is not divisible by 9. Let's take 702. 702. Let's add the digits of 702. 7 plus 0 plus 2. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 2 equals to 9. So the answer is a multiple of 9. So the number 702 is divisible by 9. 702 is divisible by 9. Here we have a number 459. Let's add the digits. 4 plus 5, 9, and 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is a multiple of 9, so this is divisible by 9. Here we have 458. 4 plus 5, 9, and 9 plus 8, 17, which is not a multiple of 9, so this number is not divisible by 9. Here we have 915. 9 plus 1, 10, and 10 plus 5, 15. 15 is not a multiple of 9, so this number is not divisible by 9. Here we have 225. Let's add them. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. This is a multiple of 9, so this is divisible by 9. Thank you, students.